How do you fix the connection to the server timed out on the PlayStation app? If this keeps popping up, don't worry, because this usually is just a network issue and not on your account. And here's how you fix it fast. Step 1, restart the app. Close the PlayStation app completely and then open it again. Simple, but this alone fixes a lot of issues. Step 2, switch your internet, turn off Wi Fi, use mobile data, or switch to a different Wi Fi network. This error is usually caused by unstable connection or routing issues. And then step 3, reset network settings. Go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and then reset network settings. This clears broken network configs that block the app. And then step 4, turn off VPN. If you're using a VPN, disable it. Because VPNs can block PlayStation servers and cause timeout. And then lastly is update or reinstall the app. Go to the App Store and then update. If still broken, delete the app, reinstall. A fresh install fixes bugs and corrupted data. If it's still not working, check PlayStation servers because sometimes it's not you. If PSN servers are down or overloaded, you will get timeout errors. Quick tip, if nothing works, just wait 5 to 10 minutes and try again. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.